Mga kapatid, paano ho natin malalabanan ang inggit? Ikalawa, pagtanggap. Pagtanggap. Acceptance. Meron pong isang tula, Desiderata ni Max Ehrmann. Sabi po niya, if you compare yourself with another person, you would only become vain or bitter. Because there's always someone who is better or lesser than you are. Laging merong makalalamang sa'yo o malalamangan in terms of beauty, intelligence, opportunities. But when it comes to dignity and freedom as children of God, we are all in need of His mercy, of His grace. And finally, pagpapalago ng sarili. Are we a better person today than yesterday? Kesa ho ikukumpara natin sa ibang tao ang ating sarili. We compare ourselves with who we were yesterday and today. May nagbago ba? Have we become better or bitter? Amen.